Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your copy and paste not working in your Windows operating system. So it's a very simple process. You just need to follow my steps very carefully. First, what you have to do, you have to come over into your search option and going to search for CMD. Click enter. After your CMD prompt will be open. Now here you just need to type sfc /scan now and then click enter. And after you can see beginning system scan, the process will take some time. And as you can see, the verification is completed. And now we will going to close it. And then here we will go for our file explorer, go for this PC and go for local C drive. After that, here you just need to click on Windows. Then you just need to find out system 32. Here is system 32. You can see, click on that. And here you just need to search. Here you just need to search for rdpclip. And as you can see, you will find the rdpclip. So you can see if you finding this and if you get it with .exe file and it's completely okay, you just need to click on this. Or you can click on the right mouse button and then click on run as administrator and then click yes. After running this system, it will fix your problem that you're facing, copy and paste not working on your Windows. So this is how we can simply solve this problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.